when you're creating your corridor, you could use one corridor set of instructions or corridor template to create the corridor model, but in many cases you may have to create different ones. So you can see here in this particular corridor I have here, I've got different types of corridors. I have a flow type, I have a re-wall or retaining wall. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to do something different in this area from basically from the station of this retaining wall to the end of this retaining wall. Maybe I put in a transition template, a lot of different things, so depending on the characteristics of the template. So to insert a template, you would go to either the corridor, right click and select insert corridor template, or from the corridor tab you can click insert corridor or insert template. This is basically the insert corridor template command. You would pick your corridor and then choose the station where you want to insert that template. So if I pick here, the template that is before this station is going to be used up to this point, and when I insert a new template here, it's going to transition to this new template. So if I was to drop this one in here, you can then put in the stationing, and then you can either define a new template, or you can copy an existing one, or reference an existing one, or insert one from a definition. If I use copy template, then I can pick one that I previously used and apply it to this location. So maybe I use this full typical and I give this one a name and call it template ditch or something, right? So depending on what I'm putting in, I could put in a different name, but that's how you insert the corridor template.